Hey, what is up guys, welcome back. So we are waiting for the upcoming Realme X50 Pro. The Realme X50 Pro is come and the camera and some sample is leaked on the internet. The Realme X50 Pro is shaping up to be a true flagship with its Snapdragon 865 chipset. Note, this chipset used in the latest Samsung Galaxy S20 lineup, this S20, S20 Plus and the bigger S20 Ultra, and also the Snapdragon 865 used in the latest Xiaomi Mi 10 lineup, the Mi 10 Pro and the Mi 10. So the phone, as the Realme X50 Pro, has a 90Hz Super AMOLED display. Also this 90Hz Super AMOLED display in the Mi 10 series. The Realme X50 Pro also has a dual mode 5G connectivity. The phone will come with a 6 total cameras. No, not a rear 6 cameras. The 4 cameras on the back and 2 cameras on the front. The Realme CMO revealed the camera detail for the upcoming X50 Pro on a Vivo alongside a pair of a camera sample. The device will come with a 64 megapixel main camera and will capable a 20x hybrid zoom. In addition, it will be able to capture video from its ultra wide camera with ported blur, and expected there is going to be a night mode which is showing on the revealed picture. As you can see on your screen, one is the night mode is off and one is night mode on picture. So this is a great result of this camera of the Realme X50 Pro. Realme CMO posted 2 images with the show the night mode performance compared to a similar shot without the night mode. As you can see on your screen, the results were impressive despite a visual over-sharpening. Realme Europe also tweeted a post on some sample from the telephoto cam which show out the 20x hybrid zoom. And as you can see on your screen, this is the 20x hybrid zoom, and also this tweet is come from the Realme Europe account. The global launch for the Realme X50 Pro 5G is scheduled for February 24, with the event taking place in Real Madrid. And the other spec of the Realme X50 Pro 5G include a 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. It will boot the Android latest 10 based with the Realme UI and pack a 90Hz Super AMOLED display. The X50 Pro 5G will support a 64 megapixel main camera and feature a Wi-Fi 6. Realme has not officially revealed its battery capacity yet, but did confirm it will support a 65-watt Super DAT fast charging. And also, we don't know about the digital zoom of the Realme X50 Pro. I don't know the Realme X50 Pro, the digital zoom up to 50x or 100x. We will wait for this. So this is the latest update about the Realme X50 Pro 5G. Let me know your thought in the comment section, and if you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe for more tech videos. Enable the bell icon for latest video notification. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.